Hey guys, it's Rocket Cuber here. Today I am having new cube guys, two cubes. That's our old cube guys. But today I am going to make a new cube by combining these two puzzles guys. Let's get into the video guys. Okay guys, the cube on my left hand is MoYu RS3M. Yeah guys. Next, this is my RS3M 2020. Yeah guys, these two are budget puzzles at different price ranges. Yeah guys, this is Milong stickerless and it's non-magnetic. Yeah, and this is RS3M 2020. Yeah guys, it's stickerless and it is magnetic. Yeah. Okay, by combining these two cubes I am going to make a new cube guys, because I don't like the feel of RS3M little bit. Yeah, I want some new thing. Okay, let's get into the time lapse. Okay guys, now I completed the two cubes. Yeah guys, you can name these two cubes. Yeah, this is with RS3M core pieces. Yeah, but with me long pieces, it is catching like wow. It's really not for speed solving. It is still catching on something. I don't know. Yeah guys, okay, completed that. Okay, now this cube I named it as RS3M 2022 because you can see the cube turns really great. Corner cutting guys. Now on I think looser settings. On looser settings the corner cutting is really great guys. Reverse corner cutting also great. On the Milong pieces on RS3M core, reverse corner cutting nothing guys, but regular corner cutting is amazing guys, but it's still catching guys, still catching. Okay, let's get a solves of this cube guys. And yeah, I really like to try this cube because it's really fast and very uncontrollable. I think it is really fast guys. Yeah guys, it's really great cube guys. Yeah, amazing. Okay, let's get into the solves guys.